Hello, welcome to History Pie, where we talk about people, inventions, and events that happened on this day in history. August 31st, it's National Eat Outside Day, so grab your favorite foods and your favorite people and enjoy some time outside. Maria Montessori was born in 1870 in Italy. She earned a medical degree from the University of Rome in 1896. However, she is most known for her work in education. Montessori developed a teaching method which redesigned classrooms to be open and easier for children to use. She encouraged practical activities, the care of the environment, and the self. Montessori believed in allowing children free choice of materials, uninterrupted work, and freedom of activity within limits. She saw independence as the aim of education, and that a teacher's job was to observe and direct the child's natural development. By the end of 1911, Montessori education had been officially adopted in public schools in Italy and Switzerland. Montessori schools are still found around the world today. Maria Montessori was nominated for 3 Nobel Peace Prizes and was directly involved in the development of the UNESCO Institute for Education in 1951. Maria Montessori died December 10, 1951, at the age of 81 in the Netherlands. In 1891, the kinetoscope was invented. This invention was created by William Dickson and Thomas Edison. In this machine, a strip of film was passed rapidly between a lens and an electric light bulb, while the viewer peered through a peephole. Behind the peephole was a spinning wheel with a narrow slit that allowed a momentary view of the 46 frames passing in front of the shutter. The result was a lifelike representation of people and objects in motion. In 1894, the kinetoscope was exhibited on Broadway in New York City. People were thrilled with this new invention. The kinetoscope became the basis of the first machines used to project motion picture film. This is an example of the film from 1894 entitled Fred Otto Sneezing. And here's a fun fact from 1955. In 1955, William G. Cobb of General Motors demonstrated a 15-inch long Sunmobile in Chicago, Illinois. It was the world's first solar-powered automobile. Although we still do not have a mass-produced solar car competitions are held around the world. Do you think people will drive solar-powered cars to work in the future? In 1948, Queen Wilhelmina of the Netherlands celebrated her Golden Jubilee, which means she had been on the throne for 50 years. Wilhelmina Helena Pauline Maria was Queen of the Netherlands from 1890 until her abdication in 1948. She was born August 31st, 1880. Wilhelmina ascended to the throne at the age of 10 after her father's death in 1890. On February 7, 1901, Queen Wilhelmina married Duke Henry of Mecklenburg-Schwerin. Together they had one daughter, Princess Juliana, born April 30th, 1909. Wilhelmina was popular for maintaining Dutch neutrality during the First World War and solving many of the Netherlands' industrial problems. Additionally, her business venture made her the world's first female billionaire. She reigned for nearly 58 years, longer than any other Dutch monarch. By 1948, she was the only survivor of the 16 monarchs who were sitting on their thrones at the time of her coronation. During her reign, she saw both World War I and World War II. Queen Wilhelmina died November 28, 1962. And that's today's History Pie. Join in next time to learn more about people, inventions, and events in history.